Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at how to create pixel art NFTs such as the CyberKongs or CryptoPunks. So in the end of this video you should be able to create your own pixel art NFT, and let's get right to it. I'm going to be completely honest, I got inspired by this guy's video right here, how to create NFT pixel art from Vile Kingdom. I watched the video and it really has some helpful assets to it, but I don't think it's that great because some steps aren't really clear to people, because I saw many comments asking for different stuff. So that's why I'm created this video, so I will go through this step by step really slowly so everybody will understand. And yeah, let's get right into it. We are going to use a website called pixelart.com to make this pixel art. What you want to do is head over to pixelart.com and create an account. So first of all, we click on create an account, and here you can basically just sign up with Google, Twitter, or yeah, you can basically do anything. I'm just going to use Google for this because this is usually the easiest. Now I'm just going to put in my Google account, and then we should be logged in. And here you just put in your information, whatever it is. I mean, you don't have to be completely honest, or for example your birthday, but you know, just put in the things and then just complete sign up. Now it should load and we should be ready to go. Yeah, and just like that we have created our own account, and we can start drawing now. So just click on start drawing and you should be right here. The first thing we can obviously do and need to do is to, you know, put a size in, and here I usually recommend 1000 by 1000 pixels, but on this website it's only 700 pixels. So what you always can do is just look up some pixel art and then see what they used, and they used 350 times 350, and I think that's what we are going for too. So just put that in, and if I'm not completely wrong, the CryptoPunks are 350 times 350 pixels as well. So yeah, that is just great. Then we just click on new drawing, and as you can see, we are right here. Okay, so first of all, I want to show some different settings in here so that we can get kind of started. So up here you have the pixel size selector. So let's say it's on one, you can see it's really little dots. So you put that up when we are working with a 350 times 350 pixel canvas, something like 20, or yeah, 20 I think looks fine. And then you can, it depends on what you're drawing to, I guess, but then you can work with that. The next thing, as you can see, I'm on the pencil tool right now, and that is with what we are right now drawing in these pixels. And here we got an eraser. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just erase these things. And then you have something like bucket tool. Just some simple things we have in the normal sketching apps too. Something that's really important too is that we have layers, because again, it depends on how many NFTs you're trying to create. But if you're trying to create 10,000, then you should probably layer everything and use code to put everything together. So that is important, that we can create some different layers over here. Good, now that we have understood the kind of basic tools we are working with, we can go ahead and create our first pixel drawing. And for that you obviously need something you want to draw, and you can just look it up. For example, I think I'm gonna draw a dinosaur now. I am just gonna search for a reference image now so that I don't have to draw it out of my imagination. Search for something like dinosaur drawing, for example. That's what I'm doing right now. And then Okay guys, I found a picture now that I think looks pretty nice and unique and cute, obviously, because if you want to sell your NFT, you probably should make something that people will buy. And then I can just, save the image. And then I can just open a photo right here, and here we are going to search for, right now it's a bit messy with the name because I didn't rename it, but I might as well still find it. Then you just put that in, and yeah, now we got a image in here. Now we can just put a layer above this and begin to, draw. And yeah, what you want to do next is just, put in these different pixels. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna create the base design now, and then we can add some different eyes and that stuff. And just like that, we have something that looks like this, consisting of these different little pixels. And I think this looks great already. And now we don't need the other image anymore, because now we can kind of work from this. So what you want to do now is that, because that is our base layer, we just can create a new layer and then just create, for example, a pair of eyes now. Where do we want our eyes to sit? Kind of like here, I guess. And then you can just create the eyes however you want them to look. Maybe something like this. This is our first eye, we can say, and then we can just, add a new layer, create another type of eye. However you want it to look like. Then we have two pair of eyes now. Now we can maybe add a mouth. And just again design it however you want it to look like. Then we can create another mouth. This looks kind of nice, and then this time we will just use a bit brighter color. And just like that, we have another mouth. Maybe put a tongue in here. Something like that. Now we just have another mouth created. And now we can obviously do something like creating something like the skin color. And just like that, now we create a new layer. Important to look at that. And there we put in the green. As you guys can see, I colored the whole thing in now. And don't worry about going over the edges, because the skin layer we can just put down with clicking on the thing here, and as you can see, now the edges are over that. And yeah, then we can maybe add some darker green in there to, you know, get some texture and that stuff, but that is kind of up to you. And as you can see, with this little kind of green we added, our dino looks more alive already. And yeah, then we can just basically duplicate the layer. And normally I would do this with the bucket tool now. I don't know why it's not working for me. Maybe you guys see something that I don't. So I don't get why it's not working. It's really annoying, I know, but I mean, if you want it to look good, it's probably even better if you just do it with this tool. And then you can just do the same thing in this layer as we just did before. And we want to make sure to have all these different kind of items or things so that we get a greater variety of these dinos. And just like that, we have another skin color done, and we have like 2 skin colors now, and we can create, I mean, 20 different skin colors, 20 different mouths, and in the end we will have a nice collection of these pixel NFT dinos. So I'm just gonna show you a completed dino now. This is one of our dinos now, and I really think it's good. And if you have some more time, you just put a background in. You can even make some like little arms. You don't have to. You can, you know, put a hat on, whatever you really want. So I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to have different layers with these different perks, and then you can just put them together in code. If you don't know how to do that, check out this video right here, because I just explained how to put a whole NFT collection together in like 10 minutes. And since we already have the art, it's only a couple of steps from being a real NFT collection. And with that said, make sure to check out this website if you want to make some nice pixel art NFTs. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if there is something you are unsure of, just hit me up in the comment section. I reply to every comment, I promise. I really look at this every single day. So just leave me a comment and I will reply. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.